I don't want it. I don't want it. No. I don't want to play fetch. I don't want it. I don't want to play. No way. Sir. No fetch. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No, I still don't want to play. Nothing has changed. I don't want it. No! I don't want it! No! No way. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Yeah. I just worked an 80-hour workday. I don't want to play fetch. Okay. Oh, I threw it, so I guess I'm playing fetch. Don't bring it back. Don't bring it back! No, I don't want it. No way. No way. Sir. Oh, I'm gonna put you outside. Oh my god. You should be a work dog. I swear to god. I'm gonna make you carry a fucking wagon. I don't know where this wagon is gonna go. What it's gonna carry. I'm gonna make you tired. No, I don't want it. I don't want it. You're stupid tiger. Tony the tiger. You killed him. Doesn't have any fluff left. No way. Get out of here. Get out of here. No way. No way.